My name is Manuel and I'm from ALFARROXO company. We are a pine bark producer in Portugal since many years, since the early 20s. This is a familiar company, started already with my grandfather. Then my father gave the follow-up and I started in 2020. Around that time we started putting some efforts on the substrate production, and this is also why we are here. We started in 2016 delivering some pine bark for berries growers, which put us in a high step on this market of the berries. And in 2020 we started doing some new substrates using other raw materials. Right now we are installing wood fiber equipment also in our company. We have already a partner in India, a company that does all the control of the raw material quality and the price stabilization, etc. Because this is the main focus, as we are a raw material company on the for the substrates. We know that the most important is to control the raw material, the stability, the keeping the quality stable all along the supply, and this is one of the most important requirements of all the customers. And this is why we are also here, to be closer to our customers in Morocco. There are huge groups in this market. Morocco is a country that has enormous production of berries because of the time of when the harvest is done. So it's easy to supply, or it's important to have this window to supply Europe. And this is the main reason why we are here, hoping to grow more and more. Now we have close and good relations with ONSA, and we are starting to be ready to be one of the biggest suppliers of Moroccan market for substrate on the berries, and not only berries, but berries is the reason why we are here today. We participate to the Berry Conference. We were invited from Jorge, the organizer. He's also a Portuguese consultant, a very well-known name in this industry. And we are close to him in Portugal, and this is the reason why we are here, to put our name on this market, also to show to the customers what we can do. We are doing a lot of innovation in the berry substrate, a lot of new developments on water saving, on recycling, on improvement of the substrate. Mainly with the pine bark we can guarantee much longer structure on the substrate. The pine bark is one of the growing medias that has low pH and with very strong structure, so it supports the substrate not to compact on the pot, because the pressure of the water and the drying and etc. And the composting, obviously, with these substrates will always compact a little bit. With pine bark we can work and we can solve a lot of that issue. And this is the main reasons why we are here, to innovate, to grow and to learn. Obviously, thank you very much to Jorge, because he is doing a very interesting job, and to Green Smile also, because they both together we can see a conference growing every year more and more, and this is very important, not only for us as a producer, that we see that it's much easier to find new customers, to learn more in this kind of meetings, but it's also very important on the development of this industry. So Jorge and Green Smile, congratulations for this. It's growing and growing every year, more persons here, and so it's very nice to be also part of it.